do you think? God, it smells like mold. Someone should pull the scissors though. Yeah, no wonder if you had an animal or something. I'm filming. This is gonna make a great horror movie. Yeah, of course. Where are we going? Really hope we're the only ones here.